What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to make Twitch panels. So talking about Twitch panels, so it generally means updating your bios, adding more contents on it, let's say adding the links to your social medias, donation links and many more. So let's get started guys. So what you're gonna do is just go to your profile on the right corner and then go to channel. Now you will be redirected over here. So you can either go from here or you have another method also. So what you're gonna do is just go to customize channel. It will redirect you over here. So over here you'll be having options to, let's say, write anything nearby. So let me just write Fortnite content, and you can see it changes it, and you can also add link titles and link URL. So I've added a donation link over here, so you can add those TikTok links. You can copy and paste your link over here, and you can add and many more like this. You can go to brand and add your profile picture over here. So that's pretty much guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. You can make your own channel panel like this. So that's all. I hope this is very much useful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.